You guys, so today I went to the nursery that Gabrielle, I think it's Gabrielle or Gabriella, said that I go to this one nursery. The first thing we got is the Lucky Bamboo Hydro. This grows in distilled water. The twinty, it's so cute. Okay, and it's an indoor plant and it's known for air purifying and it symbolizes prosperity. Secondly, they have a whole section dedicated to saplings, which is so cool, seedlings. I don't know what the difference is, but I think the one is for trees and the one is for plants. Anyway, they have a whole section dedicated to them so that you don't have to grow them like straight from the seed. And I think it's so cool because it's literally 4 rand for one seedling. And they're quite grown already and they give you this box and you can like choose a whole variety of different ones. And I would highly recommend going season shopping with your bestie. Who needs matching outfits when you have matching plots? Like, you guys get to grow together. Do you know how cool that is? Anyway, but yeah, I don't know what some of these are called. I can't remember from the name board case. I can only remember some of them. But this one's really cool. It looks like coral. And then, I'm shaking because I'm trying not to like shake all this oil off the bottom, but now the top of my hand shaking. But yeah, this one's really cute. Look, she looks like a little coral. And then we've got the matching orange one that also looks like coral. Look how cool that looks. A lot of flowers today, which normally I get a lot of veggies, but the flowers were just calling my name and they look so beautiful. So we've got like these tiny little purple ones, which is like ground cover and they spread quite easily. So I'm very excited to see how they develop. And we've got some of the white ones. So it's like a cousin of the purple flowers. They're really tiny. I'll see if I can get like proper close-ups on another video. And then we've got this. I think this is called a poppy. Got this little baddie. She's so cute. I love this one. So pretty. And then we got some oregano, which I'm super excited for. I do have seeds for oregano, but I kind of want to see like what the difference is between planting them and buying seedlings. So something, a little experiment, I guess. And then we got some red cabbage. This baddie, she's a hedge. She grows like these tiny little white like flowers. I don't know, can't see them very well right now. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. You're gonna see them better. But these essentially grow into little hedges that you can like trim and they're very easy to propagate apparently. A shout out to the nursery and the woman who owns the nursery, one lady, and she really has a lot of knowledge on all the plants and she told us a lot about the different plants that we chose and how to grow them and how to propagate them and where in our garden to use them and stuff. It's just like a 11 out of 10 experience. Honestly, I definitely recommend going there and buying yourself some plants. Then somebody told me about them because it's such a little area that like I don't think anyone really just goes down that road. So if no one told me about it, I don't think I would have just come across it. And I'm very grateful that I got given the opportunity and the heads up to go and check them out because honestly, amazing. And then we got a strawberry plant, and I'm so excited because I got something cool to show you guys. So it's gonna work perfectly with these strawberry plants. And then she's so pretty. Like, I'm sorry, but would you leave her behind? I don't think so. She's beautiful. She's an icon. She is the moment. Me and Kevin have been saving all of our special occasion bottles, but most of them have like engravings on. So we have our engagement bottle, our wedding champagne. But this is our first year anniversary and it's really cute. So I think I'm gonna use this because it's like, I think long enough. Yeah, wait, no, I think so. It's gonna work. Oh, look, and the rubber thingy fits on here, so I don't have to cut it off. That's so cool. Eee. I knew there was a reason we're keeping these bottles. I'm gonna go get more so that I can like use all of them. Because I've been wondering, should I be keeping them or should I just be throwing them out? Like, am I just collecting nonsense? But also, they're so sentimental. Like, it's our first things, you know. There's the lucky bamboo in our lucky first anniversary bottle, and I think it's very cool and cute. And yeah, stay tuned to see the replanting of all the plants and close-ups of everything and how the garden turns out because we have quite a lot to do now, and I'm very excited. It's gonna be so cute.